This is just a quick, friendly reminder that today is a new day, and it is your choice what you decide to do with it. I know that you get plenty of suggestions every day when you turn on your phone, when you turn on your television, when you turn on your radio. Suggestions after suggestions. So here's a suggestion for you to try. Just simply be grateful. Simply recognize that the grass is still growing. The leaves are still growing. There's still an overabundance of oxygen. There's still an abundance of water. Quite frankly, even the solar caps melting is just proof that we have an overabundance of water. You essentially have all that you need to flourish. And the only thing that I suggest you do is appreciate it. Appreciate it and focus on the abundance that you are a part of, because you are a part of nature. And as you can see, as the grass is still growing and the leaves are still growing and the water is still flowing, then it is absolutely all right. One other important thing is the beautiful sun. It's still shining. It is a force that feeds the grass, feeds the trees, and also motivates and feeds you as well, because you are a part of nature. So be grateful. And remember, you can choose what to accept for a suggestion. So you may choose not to accept my suggestion. That's your choice. But I also suggest that you choose to refuse to accept the suggestions that make you think that nature is not flourishing. Because as you can see right now, it is August 26, 2021 on the